Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Shawinigan local and long-distance movers near me. You'll get the right cheap Shawinigan moving company when you hire 3 Movers. We offer complete local and long-distance moving services to help save you time and energy. When you're ready to handle a long-distance move, we have the right options to make it even easier to relocate, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Relocating doesn't have to be so stressful. Sure, it will come with some overwhelming tasks, but we can take on the hardest one. We offer the long-distance moving services you need to relocate without all the difficulty. Do you really want to handle the heavy lifting of your local move? Wouldn't you prefer to hire a Canada moving company instead? There are plenty of benefits you gain, including saving a ton of time and energy. 3 Movers offers the right local moving services for your needs. We offer all kinds of help when you need to move and you don't want to do all the work. Our team can finish even a larger move quickly. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Shawinigan moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.